Welcome to Lesson 2-4. I can find the area of any triangle. In this example, we have a triangle that is shaded in, and it is stuck inside of a parallelogram. Here are the lines that make up the parallelogram. And here we can see our triangle. So first, I'm going to use what I know about the area of a triangle. I know that a triangle is 1/2 of a rectangle. So I know that I can just use the formula for finding the area of any parallelogram or rectangle and just simply divide it by 2. So my formula would be A equals base times height divided by 2. Now I'm going to look at my triangle. I know the base is the bottom and it is always flat. So here I see the base of my triangle. The base is 4 centimeters. I need to know the height of my triangle. Here is a dotted line which gives me my height, 3 centimeters. From the formula, I know it's base times height divided by 2. We're dividing by 2 because we know 2 triangles make up a parallelogram. So I know 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. I'm not done yet because I have to label my answer. I know it's 6 centimeters, but because it is area, I'm going to write my exponent of a 2, which means centimeters squared. So the area of my triangle is 6 square centimeters. Let's look at another example. Here I see a large triangle. It is actually upside down. Even though it's upside down, the flat part is still the base of my triangle. I'm going to use my same formula for area. Area equals base times height divided by 2. Because even though we haven't drawn the rectangle or parallelogram, I know 2 triangles make up a parallelogram. So if I divide it by 2, I will find my area. So I'm looking for the flat part, which is my base, which is 12 yards. So 12 times, well, here's the height. My dotted line labeled 8 yards. 12 times 8 divided by 2 will give me my area. Well, from my math facts, I know what 12 times 8 is, but just in case I forgot, off to the side I can always do a little helper problem. 12 times 8 is 96, divided by 2. So, if I don't know that answer by heart, I can also do a little helper division problem. 2 goes into 9 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring down the 6. 2 goes into 16 8 times. 8 times 2 is 16. Subtract and I get 0. So 96 divided by 2 gives me my area of 48. I'm not done. I need to label my answer. So this time it's in yards. It's area so I need to square it. So here is my area. Let's go ahead and find the perimeter of my triangle. If you remember, perimeter is the length around an object. So I'm going to add my length and my width. So I simply take 12 plus 10 plus 10. Combine those to get 20. 12 plus 20 is 32. So my perimeter is 32. I need to label my answer yards. I do not square perimeter because perimeter is not measured in squares. Perimeter is just measured as length. Think about a fence going around an object. Today you learned how to find the area of any rectangle.